Hey, 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 hey. My love? Sweetheart? Can you drop everything for a second? Find a quiet place, maybe? Even if you can't, know that I hear you. And that it's exhausting. Life is exhausting. But you're not alone, my little love. I know it's really easy to want to bottle everything up. But if you can, give yourself this moment just to let yourself feel. I promise you I've got you. It's okay. It's okay, my little sweetheart. It's okay. Did you know that I'm proud of you? And that I know that things are going to turn around okay for you? Well, now you know, sweetheart. You're going to be okay. Everything will be okay. I love you.